Well, good morning. It is nearly 7 o'clock and I'm off to meet Derek. We're going to go and visit Diddley Squat Farm Shop. Well, that's the plan, and we'll have to see what the queues are like. Originally, we had rain forecast for today, but look. That looks like sunshine to me. Just waiting for the boy, Derek. 2 minutes past. Well, I've just seen Derek go flying past the roundabout the wrong way. Let's see if we can round him up. Here he is. Oh no! Right. Okay, you ready? So we're going straight over. Oh look, scram over there. In theory, the sat-nav should follow the waypoints that I put in, because this is a saved route, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I can't think for the life of me why they didn't put a range to empty. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go, look. The more you ride, the further you can go. I'll do that then. Yeah. Go on. Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, this all looks very pretty. Very nice. Look at all these cars. It's going to be heaving, isn't it? Well, we'll see how it goes. Hustle! Very pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Thing is, it brings in money for them, doesn't it? For the area. Otherwise they'd be moaning that the village shop is closing and the pub's closing. But yeah, I don't think this is the route that I selected. It should be, because I plotted it all in. There's Google Maps, and then there's another one called My Google Maps, and it lets you put waypoints down, and then you can save that as a sat-nav file, and then you import it to Garmin, and it should be following it, but I don't know. It might be. Cool, look at this. And it's... Oh, is it? And it's solid white lines down through here as well. I mean, it's a bit tight to filter down through there. Gets a bit narrow. Yeah. Yeah. Should we let him out? Yeah. Let the red one out. Exactly. Yeah, they're nice buildings, aren't they? No. No. They knock it all down, don't they, and replace it with new stuff. Concrete. Yeah. 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 See, I reckon my route takes me down there. But the sat-nav's going this way, and I don't know why. But I think this will bring us in the top end, rather than go up the bottom end. Yeah. Nice view, isn't it? Oh, yeah. They are. Yeah, when we stop, I'm out of curiosity. Go on. Yeah. Oh. Trouble is, you look at them and you end up fixating on them and going over them. Ah, here we go, look. Just up here, look. Probably a sea of people. Yeah, it looks very busy. Jesus. Okay, right turn. Find the gravel. Right, hang on. Oh, bollocks. This is a steep start. Yeah. Okay, right, I'll be going. No, I'm not. Fuck. Jeez, that's a steep old start. Fucking hell. God. Yeah. Oh well. We'll have a look anyway. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Well, we'll see if there's anywhere to stop in there. Just mind the gravel. Yeah. Where should we stop? Fucking hell. Oh yeah.